Quality control QC is vital for ensuring pharmaceutical products meet quality standards. Key questions might include explaining the difference between QC and quality assurance and describing the role of QC in testing materials. Proficiency in analytical techniques like HPLC and UV spectrophotometry is crucial. Additionally, understanding good laboratory practice (GLP) and the importance of documentation in maintaining regulatory compliance showcases the depth of QC knowledge. Here's a detailed and focused list of common interview questions for the quality control QC department in the pharmaceutical industry, along with suggested answer points. Quality control QC interview questions in pharma industry. Basic QC interview questions. What is quality control QC? Answer tip. QC is the process of ensuring products meet defined quality criteria through testing and inspection. Difference between quality control and quality assurance. QC testing the product to find defects. Systematic activities to prevent defects. What is the role of QC in the pharma industry? Testing of raw materials, packaging materials, in-process samples, finished products, and stability samples as per pharmacopoeial standards. Analytical techniques, instrumentation questions. What is HPLC and its principle? Answer tip. High performance liquid chromatography works on the principle of separation based on partition between stationary and mobile phases. What is UV visible spectrophotometry? Answer tip. It measures the absorbance of UV or visible light by a sample. What is the difference between GC and HPLC? GC, gas chromatography, used for volatile substances. HPLC, for non-volatile and thermally unstable substances. What is the purpose of calibration of instruments? To ensure instruments provide accurate and reliable results. What is system suitability test in HPLC? To check if the HPLC system is working properly before sample analysis. Documentation compliance related questions. What is good laboratory practice? GLP. Laboratory principles ensuring consistency, reliability, and integrity of test data. What is the importance of documentation in QC? To provide traceability, reproducibility, and regulatory compliance. What is an analytical method validation? Process to prove that an analytical method is suitable for its intended use. Stability and specifications questions. What is stability testing? To determine how environmental factors, temperature, humidity, light affect drug quality over time. What is ICH Q1A guideline? It defines the stability testing requirements for new drug substances and products. What are specifications? Defined limits within which a product is considered acceptable. Common pharma regulatory questions. What is ICH? International Council for Harmonization of Technical Requirements for Pharmaceuticals for Human Use. What is OOS? Out of specification. Test results that fall outside established specifications. What is OOT? Out of trend. Result that is within specification but shows abnormal trend compared to historical data. Calculations and testing questions. What is LOD and LOQ? LOD, limit of detection, lowest detectable concentration. LOQ, limit of quantification, lowest quantifiable concentration. Explain content uniformity test. Test to ensure uniform distribution of drug substance in dosage forms like tablets or capsules. What is dissolution testing and why it's done? To measure the rate at which a drug dissolves in a particular medium. Additional tips for QC interview. Be ready for questions about SOPs, calibration records, internal audits, and change controls. Revise Pharmacopoeia, IPBP, USP, EP basics. Brush up on common analytical calculations like dilution factor, percent assay, etc. Thank you so much for your attention.